Now, your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Spoiler alert, Connor and I also have a certain love of snowman pictures. So if you send us a picture of a snowman, odds are we're gonna put it on Facebook or TV just because we really like to look at them. Pinpoint Viper really nice and quiet for the time being. And to be quite honest, I expect it's going to stay that way as we head into the overnight. A quiet Pinpoint Viper, I think, is something we all deserve, especially on the heels of what proved to be one of the more significant snow events across the Tennessee Valley in recent years. Layton saw 6 inches of snow. Rogersville, Moulton, Fayetteville, up in southern Middle Tennessee all saw 5 inches of snow. Keep in mind, most of that snow fell in about a 4 to 5 hour time period. Ardmore, North Alabama, saw 4.5 inches of snow yesterday. The Huntsville International Airport saw 3.1 inches of snow yesterday. As a matter of fact, it had been a while since the Huntsville International Airport has seen at least an inch of snow. The last time they saw at least an inch of snow in a single event was March 5th of 2015. 2,176 days, a little longer since they had seen 3 inches of snow in one event. 2,184 days. The last time that occurred was February 25th of 2015. A quiet evening over in Decatur. Obviously, there is some snow on the grass, but the roads don't look half bad. Temperature sitting at 33 degrees. Over in Tuscumbia, a beautiful picture over in Tuscumbia. The roads still aren't the greatest, but there's plenty of snow on the grass and even on the trees. Current temperature right now, right around 33 degrees. The good news that I have for you is that it looks like we're going to stay dry Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. A fairly healthy opportunity for rain by the time we get to Monday, dry Tuesday and Wednesday. Another opportunity for rain by the time we get to the later part of next week. Temperatures climbed into the mid and upper 30s this afternoon. 37 was the high at Huntsville International, 35 both Athens and Decatur. Florence saw a high this afternoon of 37 degrees. But temperatures are going to begin to fall off now through the later part of the evening as we head into the overnight. And that means we're talking about the potential for some black ice to form across the Tennessee Valley. Well, what is black ice? Black ice is a very thin layer of ice that develops on the pavement, but only when the pavement is less than 32 degrees. The thing that becomes problematic with black ice is that it's not actually the most visible thing in the world because it is such a thin layer of ice. In this case, the black ice is going to develop because we had snow, we had a little bit of rain, that snow melted, so we get that really thin sheet of ice developing on the roadways. Temperatures for the time being are still sitting in the lower 30s, so not too many problems just yet. 34 right now in Huntsville, 33 both Athens and Decatur, 33 and Florence. We're still sitting in the lower 30s up into southern Middle Tennessee. But temperatures are going to fall, like I said, through the duration of the evening as we head into the overnight. Many of us are bottoming out in the upper teens and lower 20s. Not everybody is dealing with the same threat for black ice. It's going to be much more significant across northwest Alabama. Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin counties getting into Lawrence and Limestone counties. That threat begins to back off a little bit by the time we get into Madison County, and then it almost all but disappears by the time we get to northeast Alabama. Have a good look at the next 7 days. Only 35 for your Friday, 45 on Saturday, 55 on Sunday. Remember, I said it's going to rain on Monday, but look at this. 58 for Tuesday, 63 and sunny by the time we get to next Wednesday, Connor.
I was going to say, people need to send their snowman pictures soon because it's probably going to melt soon.
I mean, yeah, the snow is eventually going to melt. So if you've got a snowman, you should probably send us your picture like right now, 256-382-2692.
There you go. Shameless plug. Thank you, Jordan.